It's time for another new sound. So this sound is a bouncy, bouncy, bouncy sound. And your mouth looks like this. The sound is F, 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 F. Can you make a little rhythm with it? F, 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 F. Your turn. Well done. Can you say the sound to your partner? Can you say it to me? My turn, your turn, tell your partner. My turn, your turn. Tell your partner. Fantastic. Can you tell your elbow? Elbow. Can you tell Fred? Can you tell your nose? Okay, so now I'm going to show you the sound. Are you ready? Here it is. Can you write it in the air? It's like a big curly loop. And you need to make sure that it connects just here. Now let's have a look at the rhyme for this one. The rhyme is lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Or, I find this a bit easier, you could say cut off the top and then scoop out the egg. So you do a straight line across and then scoop out the egg. That makes it a little bit easier. Bouncy F. Here are some pictures with F in them. They're at the start of each word. See if you can work out where the F sound is. Ready? Exercise. Can you do some exercise? Ooh, you could do some weightlifting. You could do some running. Maybe you could do some star jumps. Wow, exercise keeps us fit and healthy. Next one, if you are a scientist, you might do some experiments. I know last week we did some experiments with cardboard and seeing what happened when we put water on it. Ooh, that was an experiment. Ooh, you sent letters in these. This is an envelope. Ooh, that's one we said the sound to earlier. Our elbow. Can you see if you can lick your elbow? Oh, that's really hard to do. It's meant to be impossible, but some people can do it. Ooh, this one is an explosion. Boom. Ooh, this one has a long trunk. His name is Elephant. Fantastic. Ooh, last one. I love having one of these for my breakfast. An egg. Yum, yum. Okay, now we're going to write the sound. Can you remember the rhyme? Here's the picture to remind you. Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Or straight line, cut off the top and scoop out the egg. So you could do lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Or you could do cut off the top and scoop out the egg. This one's a little bit easier. But if you want to do the whoosh version, then you need to be able to do this one. Because when we do the whoosh version, here's my line. Start on the line, you'll be fine. Whoosh, lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Okay, so here is your challenge. Challenge time. I want you to write as many Eds in 1 minute as you can. So ask your adult to set a 1 minute timer and get your pen ready. How many E's can you write in 1 minute? Off you go. Fred has been poking the elephants. Poke, 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 poke. Fred, stop it. The elephants won't be your friend if you do that. Fred has been throwing eggs. Fred, that's so naughty. Time to read some words with the F sound in. Now I couldn't find any green words with the F sound at the beginning, so you're going to have to spot where the F is in the word. Let's have a look at the first one. Ooh, what's this letter? G, E, T. Oh, did you spot that? Where was the F sound? That's right, in the middle. Now, Fred, you're going to point to the sounds with one of your eyes, because you know I actually starts with an F. Doesn't sound like it, does it? G, E, T. Ooh, can you do that one? Maybe we could use our Fred fingers. G, E, T. Get. Well done. Get. Go and get a piece of paper. Next word. Ooh. Fred, what are you going to point to it with this time? Oh, one of your toes, okay. Et. Met. Fantastic. Met. That's great reading, everyone. Where was the S sound in that one? Oh, it was in the middle again. Oh, and look, that's helpful. The end of both of these words is the same. Et, et. The only thing that's different is the first letter. Et, g, et. Met and get. Oh, let's have a look at the last one. This one's a bit different though. Now this is going to be tricky because these two letters are very easy to muddle up. We're going to have to think of the rhyme for the letter to make sure we say the right sound. So the rhyme for this one is down the boot's laces and around the toe. Ooh, so what's the sound then? That's right, it's a B. Now, what is this sound at the end? Can you say in the rhyme for this one? Round the dinosaur's bottom and up his tall neck and down to his feet. Dinosaur is the clue. What does dinosaur start with? D. That's right. D, d, d. So we got a B. Oh, there's our sound. E, D. B, E, D. Bed. Oh, Fred's feeling a bit tired. Oh, I think he is going to go to bed. Sleep well, Fred. Okay, so our first word we're going to write is the word egg. And it's got two sounds in it. It's got an E and it's got a digraph. What's the digraph, do you think? Egg. What can you hear? Egg. That's right. There's an E. Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. G, g, g. That's right. It's got, do you know, it doesn't have one gut, it actually has two. So we go round the girl's face, down her hair and give her a curl. And another one of those. Round the girl's face, down her hair and give her a curl. Egg. Easy peasy. The next word we're going to write is net. 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 It's got 3 sound buttons in it. 1, 2, 3, and the F isn't at the start of the word. Net. What's the first sound you can hear? That's right, it's a down, knobby, and over his net. What's the next sound you can hear? F, that's right. Cut off the top, it's an F, and scoop out the egg. Oh, what's the last sound you can hear? Net. That's right, it's a t. Down the tower, across the tower. Net. Our last word we're going to write is tent. Little tent out in the woods. The next word we're going to write is tent. Now this word has actually got 4 sound buttons. Can you draw them? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the first sound you can hear in tent? Tent. Oh, that's right. It's a t, t, t. Down the tower, across the tower. What's the next sound? Tent. Say it like a robot if you need to. Tent. Oh, I can hear the F next. Can you? Good, good. We're on the same page. Cut off the top, scoop out the egg. What's the next one? Tent. Oh, it's a N, isn't it? Down Nobby and over his net. And what's the last sound? Tent. Tent. Oh, it's a t, t, t again, isn't it? Down the tower, across the tower. Excellent. Your extra challenge is to write one of these words in a sentence. Fantastic. You have worked your brains so hard. I think you need to go and do some exercise. What I'd like you to do, your challenge today, is to make up an exercise routine for your family to do. Maybe it could start with 10 star jumps. Then you could do 5 press-ups. Then you could do 16 bunny hops. It's up to you. Maybe you could write a list of all the things that you want to do in your exercise routine. I'd love to see the videos of your families doing them. Have a good day. See you later.